Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Pavni. I hope you watched my previous session. As I promised, I am here today with the course planning session. So if you are a Java fresher, beginner or planning to enter IT, this Java course is designed specially for you. In this video, I will explain the complete Java course index that we are going to follow step by step. So before enter into course index, I just wanted to share why this course. Okay, this course is completely beginner friendly. No prior coding knowledge is required. First we will start from Java basics and history and move step by step to advanced Java concepts. Finally JDBC connectivity as well. Exactly following a structured learning path. So first we will start with history and introduction of Java. So here we will learn history of Java and why Java was created and what are Java principles, Java version history. So this will help you to understand why Java is still popular today. Okay, and then next Java basics. So here we are going to cover what is Java and simple hello world program and the differences between JDK, JRE and JVM, and also JDK installation, IDE installation, so that we can practice as well, and what is variable, what is data type, and what is operator, and what are the operators we have in the Java, and keywords. So this is the foundation of Java. And then next, control statements. Here we are going to cover if else statement, switch case, loops like for loop, while loop, and do while, and break and continue. So these are used in every real time programming. Okay, and then object oriented Java. So this is most important part of Java, and these topics very important for interviews. So what is whoops and what is class, what is object, what is method, what is constructor, and oops concepts like encapsulations, polymorphism, inheritance, everything we can understand here. And then arrays, and some core concepts. In this module we will cover arrays and wrapper classes and enum type, everything. Okay, and then next, string handling. So here you will learn what is Java string and string method and string buffer and string builder, string comparison, so string tokenizer, and some examples. And then next, exception handling. So here we will learn how to handle errors in Java. So that is most important concept, right? So everyone will get errors while coding, so we need to know how to fix it, right? So by using these exception handling concepts, try catch block and nested blocks, finally throw and throws, these concepts will very helpful for exception handling. And then inner classes. So we have some concepts like inner class and nested class, so we can understand those as well. And then multi-threading. So in this module we are going to cover what is multi-threading, I mean multi-threading basics, thread life cycle, and how to create a thread and thread priority, so thread pool, garbage collection, and what is runtime class, so we can understand everything here. And then Java IO. So here we can learn how to handle file in coding, right? So basically we will learn how to work with the files. So there may be a requirement like file reading from somewhere on, or file downloading, file uploading, so those activities we can do with this concept. And then synchronization is also very important concept in interviews as well. Okay, and then collection framework, so very important concept for real time project. So we can understand what is list, what is set, what is queue, and what is map, what is array list and linked list, hash map. So these concepts will understand what is collection framework. And then finally JDBC, so JDBC connectivity, so how to connect with database we can understand, and what are the CRUD operations we have we can learn, and some examples as well, database connectivity examples. So what I wanted to say, after complete this course you will have a strong Java fundamentals, and you can attend Java interview confidently on only Java. Or else if you want to learn some other skills like Salesforce or Hybris or Spring Boot, first we need to know Java fundamentals, right? So here we are going to cover all the Java fundamentals in this course. So if you like this course plan, subscribe to this channel and like the video, and drop a comment Java, okay, so that I know you want next session. Okay, so see you in next session.